Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So first you in Tarraxo. Okay. So right foot inside. I touch with my toes. Stomach connection. Elbow down for the leader and my hand on back. But I don't push air.
And no chest connection. Okay. Here, with my arms, I will connect the leader's arms and put my hands slightly on the back or maybe on the side if I'm small. Okay. But I'm just on his shirt. I'm not grabbing him.
It's very important for the follower, please keep this connection, because when I go to body movement, it's easy for you, okay? And no tension, okay? Please relax. Yes. And so, sometimes it's possible you do like that, because if and tall like Anton, okay? And so, it's very important, but leader, you need to keep the connection, okay? For air, it's easy. And if you want, it's possible like that, okay? It's better, but be careful when I go to open, you need to slide, not kick, okay? And so, when I go down, when I have a 50% with my right leg and 50% with my left leg, it's very important, please, you have this connection with the both knee, but you lose the connection with your stomach or your belly. And after that, let's go neutral position, just
still 50-50 but straight.
Straight. Cut, because after that it's so long and you don't watch the video.
Then you can maybe
the same for me.
Yeah.
Okay, so now when you need to start for dance Tarraxo, it's very important first, you need to communicate with your partner and you create the balance. You take the connection. And so, it's very important example. I go right for me, automatically, because I will transfer and 100%, my leg stays straight, but my other leg have a connection and a little bit.
But I don't do this with my hips. Yeah. I don't sit. I just transfer.
Yes. Chaka chak. And after, when I need to go forward, example, 1. It's very important, of course, when you go to work in Tarraxo, first touch, okay? And after you go to transfer, but you stay with your neutral position and level 0, and you have a connection. Pop, touch, go to transfer, take the connection. I go back, hey.
That's my job as a follower, to keep that connection. He's giving me and I'm keeping.
It's okay, like this exercise, you remember this exercise? Okay, I play with her.
I keep my balance by myself.
It's okay? Let's go back. Yes. So, let's go record again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect? Cut. Okay, record again. Okay, so now suave. And first you go 1, you go down, up with your booty. After that, you go up, but your booty keep it. And after that, middle.
Relax.
1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, 2 times. 1, 2. The same just now, you continue the movement. Before is a sharp movement. Now you continue the movement. And after that, when you're ready, okay, you use one leg. Let's go. One leg. And you change. You transfer. And the same movement. It's okay? Cut. So, now, together, yes, sorry. Let's go like that. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's you create the source. And you like that. But no worries because you have this after. Okay? Just for you see. Okay, cut. Now, pass 1 and 2 times and so. Just look like that normally. Okay? But now, for Tarraxo, it's very important. And just when I go to slowly, I take the connection. I go to open, 50-50. Take the connection because I go to transfer. And I close, 50-50. Take the connection again, open, 50. Take the connection and close. But of course, with the tempo, just like that. Okay? But she feels always my knee. Okay? Cut. Yes. Okay. Now, I take the connection, I go to forward. Of course, because I transfer, I have a connection with opposite knee. Now I go to open, lateral, chop. When I go to open, it's very important, I have a connection just with my stomach.
And as we straight, it's 50-50.
I go down and...
Still 50-50, but we lose the belly connection and take the both knees connection.
I go up, but you have different and... With la hands. Okay, so now it's very important, and if you need to use your chest, it's possible. Okay, you go to like that. Okay, and because she have eyes, and because she have a connection too. And now it's easy for her. If you want, she go to like that. Okay, it's very important for you leader. Okay, please first boom, and after you move, and after okay, let's go together. You take the connection when you finish and you close. Yes, cut and wait before you record because I don't remember. If you remember, yeah, legacy. Thank you. Okay, the exercise for you understand, and the exercise for you follower, because you need to stay connected. Okay, when I take the connection, and let's go.
I have 1% pressure. Okay, just really small to be able to keep the connection.
This is.
But I'm not pushing it.
Yes. Keep like a magnet. Okay? Okay. Cut. I think yes, it's good, huh? Yes, perfect. Okay. So, now, just a little video. Yes.